Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Bell with William in India. My name is Rajashekar Kongari, Equity Research Analyst. I am part of MarketSmith India team. Before we go ahead into this podcast, I would like to state the disclaimer, which is registration granted by SEBI, membership of BASL, and certification from NISM in no way guarantee performance of the intermediary or provide any assurance of returns to investors. Investments in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. So that was the disclaimer part, and let's look into Nifty's daily chart to understand how the market is placed at the current moment. And I'll give you an O'Neill's perspective as well. After a huge run from 16,000 levels to almost to 20,000 level, Nifty took a small breather currently. In the last 1 month, if you see, Nifty has been moving downwards. And in the meantime, it breached its 21 DMA as well, which is a green line here. Yeah, 21 DMA, which acted as a very good support previously around these levels, these two levels, and here as well. It tried to give support, but due to selling pressure in the market, 21 level was clearly breached by the index. And currently, if you look at in the closer time frame between the last 3 to 4 candles, you can see Nifty has been trading near its 50 DMA, which is a red line here. So moving averages are very key levels for the index. Historically, moving averages have been acting as a good levels of support for the index. And recently also, if you see yesterday also, Nifty rebounded from its 50 DMA, which is a very positive sign. Currently, Nifty is trading only below its 21 DMA, and all other moving averages are still intact. There was no breach of major key moving averages. Coming to the O'Neill's perspective, when the market breached its 21 DMA and the distribution day count elevated to 4, we have changed the market status to uptrend under pressure, a market status where we are indicating there is increasing pressure in the market. So that is the reason we have kept in the market in uptrend under pressure. In such a scenario, only strong breakouts will be considered for addition, and the probability of breakouts being successful is slightly lower in this particular phase when compared to confirmed uptrend. And currently, distribution day count is at 5. And if there is any further accumulation around 6 to 7 of distribution days, and by then the Nifty will also breach its 50 DMA, then we'll be changing the market status to downtrend. A scenario where we will exit most our portfolio holdings and we'll be staying silent for the market to bottom out and give a fresh rally. On the upside, Nifty has to cross over a previous high, that is 19,990 level, to change the market status to confirmed uptrend. So that is a long way on the upside, but downside, the 50 day is breached, and if we see any accumulation of distribution days, then we'll change the market status to downtrend. Coming to the stocks which are in news and which will be under radar today's trading session, Welspun Enterprises subsidiary or arm called as Welspun World has completed acquisition of around 50.1% stake in Michigan Engineers, and the overall share acquisition took over 137 crores of rupees for the company. So with this, Michigan Engineers will be a subsidiary of Welspun Enterprises. So definitely, if there is any decision to be made, Welspun will have a good authority to make any decisions in the further actions. Union Bank has approved raising funds up to 5,000 crores of rupees by issuing QIP, that is a qualified institutional placement of equity shares. And actually, this QIP was opened yesterday itself, and the share price has been fixed at 91 rupees per share. Tata Power subsidiary, that is Tata Power Renewable Energy, has signed a power purchase agreement of 9 mega WP of campus solar power plant. This is in Uttarakhand, And this project is expected to be commissioned within 6 months starting from today. Brigade Enterprises, which is mostly focused on South India into real estate development space, has entered into an agreement to acquire 6.5 acres of land in Chennai. And upon acquisition, the company is planning to develop a residential project in the city. Coming to yesterday's institutional activity, FIs have been net sellers. They have sold more than 900 crores of Indian equities on net basis. Domestic institutional investors have bought more than 626 crores of Indian equities. Overnight, US market closed in the positive territory, except for Dow Jones, which closed slightly on the lower side, but S&P and Nasdaq closed pretty much in the green territory. Asian markets are also trading with a positive bias. You can see Kospi and Nikkei are trading 0.6 to 0.7% higher, whereas Shanghai is trading with slightly lower gains. GIFT Nifty is also indicating a muted opening for the index around 19,393 400 levels is expected opening for the index. So that is the same level which the index closed in the session as well. So 10-20 points here and there is not a major opening. And upon muted opening, if there is any follow buying, definitely we'll see good action. Yesterday also we have seen good action on the index trend. So similar action if it is observed on the today's session as well, definitely a good session for the investors. For the chart of the day, we picked Astral and mostly which is into development of or manufacturing of plastic products in the country. The company has been forming a very long base pattern. Currently, it has formed a recently stage 1C consolidation base, and currently it is trading near its pivot. And you can see here it is just 2% to its pivot, which is highlighted here. And on the ratings front, this stock is looking very good. You can see EPS of 94 indicates a strong fundamental profile. ROE is also very good at 17%. Technical ratings are slightly beaten down. RS rating of 70 and A by D rating of B plus are considered good enough, but this slightly lower rating is because of a huge consolidation the stock has been going through for the last 3 months. Whereas the market was also not so much performing, but there are some few stocks which have been with good momentum and which have been rallying higher and higher. That is where the stock has lagged. Maybe if the breakout happens, definitely this stock is going to be a good outperformer. And the other parameters as well, number of funds has also increased from last September to current June quarter. So overall, ratings wise and the technicals wise, the stock is looking good. If the breakout happens on good volume, definitely a very good contender for addition. And also, we have good number of stocks in model portfolio as well. So that is why we have been very selective, and we are also looking for opportunities where to book out existing stocks and also looking to add fresh stocks into model portfolio. So these kind of stocks will definitely be considered, and we have been considering this stock as well for addition. Thanks for joining today's pre-bill. Have a good trading session.